Welcome to the latest video from Business with Joe. In this video we talk about how you can make money from Twitch. If you're not sure what Twitch is, it's a live video streaming service operated by Twitch Interactive, which is owned by Amazon. The site focuses on video games live streaming, including broadcasts of esports competitions, in addition to music broadcasts and other creative content. It started streaming live sports in the last few years, and this content can be viewed either live or via video on demand. Let's just spend a few minutes with a bit of background about Twitch and how it got to where it is today. But don't forget to subscribe to Business with Joe channel. Click on the alert bell as we post new videos every week, and also hit that like button. In October 2013, Twitch had 45 million unique viewers, and by February 2014, it was considered the fourth largest source of peak interactive traffic in the United States. It was then acquired by Amazon for $970 million, which later led to the introduction and connection with the company's subscription service, Amazon Prime. Twitch later acquired Curse, an online video gaming community site, and introduced the means to purchase games through links on streams, along with programs allowing streamers to receive commissions on the sale of games that they play. The last set of figures which we could find was from May 2018, and at that time it had 2.2 million broadcasters every month and 15 million daily active users, with around 1 million average concurrent users. As of May 2018, Twitch had over 27,000 partner channels. In December 2017, the National Basketball Association announced that it would stream NBA G League games on Twitch. The broadcasts also include interactive statistic overlay, as well as additional streams of the games with commentary by Twitch personalities. In April 2018, it was announced that Twitch would carry 11 of the National Football League Thursday night football games as part of the league's renewed streaming deal with Amazon Prime. During the 2017 season, these streams were exclusive to Amazon Prime subscribers. In January 2019, professional wrestling promotion Impact Wrestling announced that it would stream its weekly show Impact on Twitch, in simulcast with the television airing in the US. Then in September 19, the National Women's Hockey League announced a 3-year broadcast rights deal with Twitch, covering all games and league events. So you can see that Twitch is becoming a big player in the sports streaming area, and this is only going to continue. So, how do you set up on Twitch? On Twitch, anyone who has a channel that they upload content to is called a broadcaster or a streamer. The basic setups requires users to create a channel that streams live gameplay videos, which is either coming to the site from computers or consoles. When you watch a given video, you can see the gameplay, plus a webcam video of the person playing the game. The player usually also provides audio commentary. Sometimes it's a serious commentary to help other players through a game. However, there's also commentary which is just for fun. So the three components of a Twitch channel are the gameplay itself, the webcam video of the player, and the audio commentary. This means broadcasters need a computer or console and other gaming equipment, plus a camera and a microphone headset for broadcasting purposes. Twitch channels stream for 24 hours. Of course, you don't have to be playing video games 24 hours a day, but your channel will be out there. You can upload pre-recorded videos, but in general, the purpose of Twitch is to provide the site's approximately 100 million users with access to live streams of gameplay. Signing up for a Twitch channel just takes a few minutes. You can create your own login information or use Facebook account. The process of broadcasting will depend on how you're playing games, computer or gaming console, and the type of equipment you're using. As you might expect from a gaming community, Twitch users offer plenty of online support in chats and forums that can be a great resource for anyone who's just getting started. So how do you make money on Twitch and get followers? Okay, so you've set up Twitch channel and you're ready to start broadcasting your gameplay. First off, it's a good idea to decide on the tone that you want to create your personal brand on. To help you establish that tone, consider these few questions. Do you want the channel to be funny or serious? How about helping other gamers, competing with other gamers, or making viewers laugh? What kind of audience do you want to attract? Will you be the best gamer or the funniest gamer? The videos themselves aren't the only way to reach viewers. Twitch also has chat features. Viewers can go into the chat room to ask you questions about gameplay or to get to know you better. Responding to viewers in a friendly, helpful way can help you retain and grow your following. Another important factor in your success on Twitch are the games that you choose to broadcast yourself playing. Not surprisingly, there's a lot more competition with major games that lots of broadcasters are playing. If you want to be the go-to broadcasters for major releases, you'll be up against some of the big hitters with large following. You'll probably have an easier time standing out if you broadcast games that fewer people are playing. You could go back to old school and pick out minority games that haven't reached the millions that some corporate game companies attract. So how do you monetize your Twitch account? If you're one of the broadcasters, and there are 1.5 million streaming channels out there, first of all you need to stand out and offer something different. Then, if you build up your channel and get viewers, you'll share any ad revenue your channel makes with Twitch. In your dashboard area, you can change the settings for your channel to say how many ads you want to play per hour during the video stream. If you want to add links that viewers can follow to purchase particular games you can make money on these too, like affiliate marketing. Remember, Twitch is owned by Amazon, so those links will be to an Amazon game purchase. In addition to advertising revenue, there are other ways you can make money on Twitch. Once you've established a brand and a sizable following, brands may start to come to you with sponsorship offers. They may offer you free games or equipment, and if you're lucky, they may even offer payment. This, of course, will take time. Once your followers increase, you can also sell merchandise, independently or through the Twitch Partner Program. You can also make money on Twitch by getting donations from fans and subscribers. You'll have to enable this feature on your channel, and generally broadcasters use PayPal to process viewers' donations. So what is the Twitch Partner Program? Okay, so that's the basics covered with Twitch. The next stage, once you have a sizable following, is that you can apply for a Twitch Partner Program. This lets viewers subscribe to your channel, earn you money in the process. Again, you'll share the revenue with Twitch, but when you have the subscribers, you make money each month, whether or not those subscribers view your videos and ads. Subscribers to the channel pay $5 per month, and for that, viewers get access to special perks like subscriber-only chats and unrestricted access to your video archives. They even get special emojis that they can use on your channel. However, be warned, it's a tough nut to crack to join the Twitch Partner Program. Of the site's 1.7 million active broadcasters, only 12,000 are partners. Those are pretty tough odds. The site says it's looking for broadcasters who engage their chat, develop strong communities, and find creative ways to stand out from the crowd. On the Twitch Partnership application page, the basic requirements for partnership are average concurrent viewers of 500 plus, regular broadcast schedule of at least 3 times a week, and content that conforms to the Twitch terms of service. How to build a profitable Twitch audience. Now that you understand the methods to monetize a Twitch account, it's now time to actually do it. Just like blogging or building a social media brand, Twitch is all about growing an active, engaged audience. In order to start making consistent income on Twitch, you need to hit around 500 people actively watching your channel for the majority of your stream. Here's some basic steps to start building your audience. Plan your channel and what style of channel you want. Before you even make a Twitch account, you first need a plan of action. In order to stand out from the millions of other broadcasters, you have to decide what your channel will be. For example, as we mentioned earlier, you could show off your skills as a good player of a game. Could your channel be entertaining, funny? Could you pull this off though? Could you include a gimmick whilst playing? Talk about the news or gossip or the latest movie releases? Could you forge strong relationships with your viewers, knowing them by name, asking about their family, that kind of thing? Teach your viewers how to play better, explain your decision-making process. The limit of your channel is only limited by your own creativity. You could try combining several of the above. Funny with your playing skills, gimmicks while teaching. Before you start promoting your channel, figure out what you want to do. Do you want Twitch to be a full-time job or just a hobby? Will you be able to stream for 8+ hours a day, 5 days a week or more? How long will you commit to this before giving up or deciding it's not for you? You really need to think about this because your answers will determine how hard you'll try, whether you'll be successful, and your approach to gaining an audience. Promote your content across multiple platforms. Once you've committed to being a streamer, it's time to start working hard. You have to stand out from the millions of other streamers, and to do that, you need to learn marketing and have a unique angle. There are lots of ways to promote on social media. Google, YouTube, Facebook are the top 3 most visited sites on the web, and other social media platforms are also out there. Your challenge to get people to watch you over the tons of other stuff on the internet. It's not easy, but it's something you need to master to become a highly paid Twitch streamer. Develop a strategy where you promote your channel across multiple sites, such as live stream a coaching session on a multiplayer game. Record a session and upload it to YouTube, being sure to optimize your YouTube search and related videos. And don't forget to mention in your YouTube video that you stream on Twitch with a link to your Twitch channel. Go to forums like Reddit or Quora and look for people asking questions about games you just did a coaching session on. Answer their question, then link back to your YouTube video you just uploaded. And do this on multiple threads across multiple forums. Share the YouTube video on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. and tag your viewers who watch the live stream. Ask them to share the link. There are lots of ways to promote your content. The key is to go out there and learn by doing. You can read all you want, but experience is the best teacher. Network with streamers and organisations. One key to creating wealth is building strong relationships with other people who are already successful or are on their way to success. This applies to Twitch as well. The more partnerships you can make with successful and raising streamers, the more your own stream will benefit. Some strategies include partnering with other streamers to promote each other, play games with other streamers, partnering with organisations to promote them for free in exchange for them promoting you in return. If you choose to master just one piece of the streaming puzzle, let it be relationships. If you become friends with someone like Ninja, it could skyrocket your success, even if you're not the best at the game or the funniest person. Again, do it ethically and be genuine. Stay consistent over time. Set up a streaming schedule every week and stick to that schedule. People will come to expect you to be there on those days and times, and if you lose that consistency, you'll lose the audience trust. This is extremely important if you want to make this a full-time job. So you've posted for several weeks or even months, and things are going slow. You will most likely hit a point where you feel like it's not working. This is normal. You're growing a business. This takes time. You'll work hard and you won't see anything for it. You'll probably start questioning yourself and think, who am I kidding? What makes me think I can do this? Keep at it. Good things don't always happen at once. They take time. So is Twitch a good option? People are curious about Twitch. They want to know how streamers make money on the platform. Well, Twitch offers streamers some brilliant opportunities. Streamers can grab opportunities and make money, but it will take time. Do you have that commitment? So if you've got a YouTube channel, you can also move to Twitch. A live streaming of video games playing is also strong on YouTube, but many gamers have moved across to Twitch as it is more defined, that it's specifically for gamers and those who love to view gamers. It's not all bad news if you already have a following on YouTube. You don't have to start from scratch. When you join Twitch, you can apply for a partnership program fresh from YouTube. Without a streaming history on Twitch, you can apply as long as you have the following: 15,000 plus average views of a video, 100,000 plus subscribers, and content that conforms to the Twitch terms of service and the DMCA guidelines. So that's the basics of getting started on Twitch and how you can make money. If people are interested in finding out more, leave comments below and we'll look at making other videos. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money, guys, and remember, you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.